Okay guys, so this is the 15-minute chart, and let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, you can see we cleared the CPI 830 high. So we cleared the CPI 830 high. So now draw to downside will be this previous day high. PDH. Okay. Previous day high, and we are below the 830 CPI high, but let's just put it 830 CPI daily high. Okay, so let's have a look at Nasdaq. Okay, whereas Nasdaq is above, okay, so this is the CPI high on Nasdaq as well. So you can see Nasdaq is above the CPI high when S&P is below the CPI high. So not really much of a symmetry. But let's look at the weekly chart, okay? So today what we can expect? TGIF? Maybe? So if we pull from here, draw from here up to here. Okay, and what is the 0.2 level? Okay, 6333.75, which is the previous 2-week high. So 6333.75. okay, I'll keep that in mind. Okay, 6333.75. okay guys, so remember that 6333.75 is the target for today, because today is TGIF. Yeah, because Friday, you can expect that 6333.75. Okay, so let's draw a line. Put this color 0.2. Okay, 0.2 retracement level. There we go. So right now this is the 1-hour chart. Okay, we cleared daily high. Okay, we form like a sort of like a venom here. So go on 15-minute chart. So we find it here. So right now below us, what we got? Relative equal lows here. Fair gap here. So near term is this sell side here. Bam, there we go. Okay. Sell side, and so on top here you got the CV, so I'm going to use this as entry. Okay, 6351.5. Okay, stop loss right here, then take profit right here. Okay, so aiming for that sell side level, and then got sell side here and fair gap again. So over here you got another fair gap, so yeah, maybe you can put it a little bit lower. Okay, so the draw is this 15-minute BC. Okay, I'll draw it out also. Then we'll just close the chart and we'll see how price goes later. Okay. Okay, so this is the 15-minute BC I'll be aiming for. So yeah, you can see this 15-minute CE. Okay, we shall see later. Okay, close the charts, and if later it don't get filled, also no problem. Yes, no problem. So yeah, that's it. Later we'll come and check it out. Yeah, so this is the 15 BC I'm gonna enter. Beside here we got the balance price range. So this is basically a balance price range. So yeah, I'll pull it lower a bit here. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Later I'll come back and see. And yeah, so I want to show you guys a little bit. Yeah, so this was the trade that I took yesterday, but I forget to place stop loss, and I was chatting with Hui Qing already, so no problem. Let's see how far I can bring with my account balance right now at $627. Okay, so right now it's time for me to rest. This is a small trade, okay. Dollar downside, the Nasdaq upside. So let's buy. So this is just a very small trade, okay. You know I took it, but this is just for fun, okay guys. So here we got balance price range, 5 minute CB, 5 minute BC, not filled. So yeah, focus on top here, and just a very small scalp game. Time to go back mode. Yep guys, and just now you can see I entered where? I entered long here and got filled as well. Let's go on the 5 minute. Yeah, first the 15-minute chart, you can see this BC. Yeah, and when we go on 5 minute, okay, so this is the BC, and then we consolidated here, and yep, I entered long at here, which is where I ended based on the 15-minute chart. Okay, basically, you know, we inside this BC for so many times. So 5 minute, so where was it? 3 minute. Yeah, 3 minute. Okay, we got market structure shift, fair to get, then the end dog is up here. So here entry 6307, a little high, right? Yeah, it's a little high, but actually I would prefer to enter just right at here, okay, at 6306. So this would be a 2 point something handles trade, and that would be enough as well. Yeah, so just a small scalp here to the end dog above, and that was it. So yeah, plus $8.75. Good. Hey guys, what's going on? Why I went short and it's up here? Why did it? Okay, so we didn't got filled, okay. Price didn't come up, and why is that? Because if you measure this CE week, you can see this CE week price rejected here. Then the lower CE week reject. Here on 3 minute, we can see that here is at the C-wick rejection. Then we got market structure shift here, fair value gap here, at the old daily high, change to here. Well, while now seeing this, I would enter here. 6349 and aiming for here, 6345. Okay, so that's it. Anyway, I'll still wait and see later. Okay, so yeah, come back later. Okay guys, so what can we see here? We entered at this 5-minute CB. Yeah, I entered this 5-minute CB. So 62351.25, which is here. So we got filled at 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, and then this is the 15-minute chart. So basically we cleared the sell side at the displacement, come higher to this balanced price range, which we expect price to stay inside and expect it to whole price to go lower. Okay, so this is the balanced price range. So actually this is the balanced price range here. So then you can see we trade into it, then trade down back to the sell side again, and yeah, that will be it. So once again, another profit trade, and that will be it. So, and we can also see that this is the 10 o'clock news. Let's go 5 minute. Yep, this is the 10 o'clock news. We went up, cleared buy side, then we can expect lower prices. To where's the sell side? So the first sell side will be here. This will be the first sell side. So let's go ahead into 1 minute chart. Okay, this is the 10 o'clock news. Yeah, because you can see during 9:30, right, we had just been very fickle. The price was just very fickle, so we can expect movement at 10 o'clock news. And then plus what we can see, SMT here. Okay, S&P form higher high when Nasdaq form lower high, and Dow also form lower high with dollar forming lower low and rejected above, so in symmetry to the downside. And 6329 was the 0.2 level. Okay, 0.2 retracement level, and you can see we reached it already. 6 here, sorry, 6333.75. so very good. 3 minute we can see bodies. So you know 10 AM we went up, hit the buy side, and we have SMT. Okay, we have SMT with dollar trading below it but rejected above, so this SMT is confirmed. And we had the CV here, even though we rejected above, but you can see we are holding back still inside the CV. And if we go to the 1 minute chart, you can see the same thing here. Here buy side rejected at the 8:30 daily high. So what I'll do after that is I'll wait for CB to form here. So we have a CB form here, and then where's the 9:30 first fair value gap? Okay, we gotta find it. So the 9:30 first fair value gap is it this one? No, this one? No. Okay, but let's see, did we retrace into a let's see, did we retrace into a premium before going lower? Okay, so from here down to here, so we didn't even touch premium, but we had a CB here, order block. Why is this an order block? Because this candle, this 10 candle, rejected below the 8:30 daily high. See, so this is a CV here. So if I enter short here 6344.75, my stop loss will be here, somewhere here, but I don't think I'll enter in this one, because let's say if I'm aiming for down here, and yeah, this is the 15-minute BC, okay. Yeah, this is the 15-minute BC here, which you can see. Okay, so which you can see here, we form a swing high, higher high. Yeah, so as soon as we close below this 15-minute BC, this is an order block, so you can enter short here, but your stop loss has to be above here, okay. And let's just pull out the end dot for today on. So Thursday, 12 to 6 p.m. Okay, so we draw it out. So the opening price, the closing price and opening price is this one. So 18. Okay, then we go back. Okay, basically nothing much today, but we reached the retracement level, so TGI have panned out, and that will be it.